Let's see how to connect HP wireless mouse to iPad. In the first step, open Settings. Now go to Bluetooth and then enable Bluetooth. In the next step, hold down the pairing button on the HP wireless mouse. Now wait until the light starts flashing. After that, keep the mouse near the iPad. In the next step, open Settings. Later, select Bluetooth. Later, find the HP mouse in the available devices. Off. In the next step, tap on the HP wireless mouse from the list. Now choose Connect or Pair. Then wait for the connection confirmation. Off. In the next step, move the mouse to see if the cursor moves. Now click to verify it works properly. Now modify settings if required for better performance. You are good to go.